Hey there, wanting to hide the tab bar up top in Chrome? Maybe you're doing a screen recording, getting ready for a presentation, or just really like that clean, uncluttered look. Whatever your reason, it's actually pretty easy to do, even if you're not super comfortable with tech stuff. Let's go with the absolute simplest way, full screen mode. If you're on a Windows computer, just hit the F11 key on your keyboard. If you're using a Mac, press Command and the F key together. Chrome will jump right into full screen, hiding the tabs in the address bar, giving you a nice distraction-free view. Just a heads up though, this also hides other things like menus. When you're done and want to exit full screen, just move your cursor up to the top edge of the screen. You should see an X appear that you can click, or just press F11 again on Windows or Command F again on your Mac. Hope that little tip helps you out. If it did, I'd really appreciate a like on the video and maybe a subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment too if you liked it, so I know and can say thanks. Alright, take care and see you later.